wondering what's the difference? And more importantly, which one is right for your skin? A dermatologist here to simplify skincare for you. Today, we're diving into a super common question that can make a real difference in how your skin feels and looks. What is the difference between lotion and cream? Whether you've got dry patches, oily zones, or sensitive skin that flares up at the drop of a hat, knowing the difference between lotion and cream is key to choosing the right product. So let's clear up the confusion once and for all, with simple explanations and expert tips you can actually use. Let's get started. With so many different moisturizers on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed trying to choose the right one for your skin. Some are made for your body, others for your face, and as the seasons change, your skin's needs can change too. That's why it's especially important to pick the right type of moisturizer, especially during colder months when your skin can get extra dry. So, what's the real difference between creams and lotions? Both are designed to hydrate your skin, but the key difference lies in their ingredients and texture. Creams are thicker and richer because they contain more oil. This makes them great at sealing in moisture, which is perfect for dry or sensitive skin, especially during winter when skin tends to lose hydration more easily. Lotions, on the other hand, are much lighter. They contain more water and less oil, which makes them easier to spread and quicker to absorb. Lotions are ideal for people with oily or acne-prone skin since they're less likely to clog pores. They're also a great choice for warmer weather when your skin doesn't need as heavy of a barrier. Body cream. Body creams are rich, thick, and deeply hydrating. They contain more oil than lotions, which gives them that heavier feel. This makes them ideal for locking in moisture and keeping your skin soft and smooth, especially in areas that tend to get dry like elbows, knees, and feet. Many body creams are also designed to help improve skin firmness and protect against moisture loss, making them great for daily use, particularly during the colder months. Face cream. Face creams are specially made for the delicate skin on your face. Since facial skin is thinner, especially around the eyes, it needs gentler, targeted care. The face is also more exposed to the elements like sun and wind, which can lead to dryness and irritation. Plus, the face has more sebaceous, oil-producing glands than the rest of the body, and these can be influenced by hormones, weather, and even stress. Face creams help balance moisture without clogging pores, supporting healthy, nourished skin day and night. Face cream is usually lighter than body cream and made with special ingredients to care for the most delicate areas of your face. 'Cause facial skin, especially around the eyes, is thinner and more sensitive, it needs a gentler touch. For example, a rich hydrating cream that includes hyaluronic acid and linoleic acid can provide deep, instant hydration while strengthening your skin's natural moisture barrier. This helps soothe dryness, especially after a long night. Plus, it's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, making it a great choice for even the most sensitive skin types. Body lotion. Body lotions are lighter and more fluid than creams because they contain more water and less oil. This gives them a thinner texture that absorbs quickly without feeling heavy, perfect for people who don't have very dry skin or simply prefer a non-greasy finish. Lotions are especially great for daytime use in warmer climates where you want hydration without the weight. Many body lotions are enriched with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, which is rich in fatty acids and quickly absorbed to deeply nourish the skin. For example, Cetaphil Advanced Relief Lotion with shea butter is clinically proven to lock in moisture and hydrate the skin for up to 48 hours. And for little ones, Baby Ultra Soothing Lotion has a gentle, hypoallergenic formula that soothes and protects even the most delicate baby skin from 3 months old and up. Face lotion. Face lotions offer lightweight hydration designed specifically for facial skin. They're great for anyone who wants a moisturizer that absorbs quickly and doesn't feel heavy or greasy, especially if your skin is on the oilier side or you just prefer a more breathable option. A great example is our daily oil-free hydrating lotion. It's ideal for combination skin, provides instant moisture, and is clinically proven to be gentle on sensitive skin. It delivers hydration without clogging pores or causing irritation, making it a smart, everyday choice. What's the difference between face and body moisturizers? The skin on your face and body isn't quite the same, and neither are the moisturizers designed for them. Each type of moisturizer is made to meet the unique needs of these different areas. Facial skin tends to be thinner and more delicate with more oil glands, which means it's often more prone to acne, oiliness, and irritation. On the other hand, the skin on your body, especially places like the back, hands, or feet, is usually thicker and more resilient and may need a richer formula to stay hydrated. While sunlight has some benefits like boosting vitamin D and improving mood, too much sun exposure can lead to skin damage, especially on the face. That's why many facial moisturizers include SPF and anti-aging ingredients to help protect against fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of sun damage. For example, Cetaphil face moisturizers are carefully formulated to support and protect this sensitive facial skin. How to choose the right moisturizer for your face. When picking a product for your face, it's important to consider your skin's individual needs. Dry skin? The face cream is likely the better option. Its thicker texture helps lock in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated longer. Oily or combination skin? A lighter lotion might be more suitable, offering hydration without the heavy feel or risk of clogged pores. Also think about other skin concerns. Prone to breakouts? Look for something with acne-fighting ingredients. For example, the Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer contains salicylic acid to help clear and prevent pimples, plus skin-soothing botanicals and prebiotics to keep your skin balanced. Want to fight fine lines? Go for a moisturizer with anti-aging ingredients like peptides, hyaluronic acid, or antioxidants. In summary, choosing the right moisturizer, whether it's a lotion or cream for your face or body, comes down to understanding your skin's unique needs. Remember, facial skin is more delicate, often needs targeted ingredients, and benefits from lightweight, non-comedogenic formulas. Body skin, especially in dry or rough areas, may need something richer and more deeply hydrating. Your skin changes with the seasons, your environment, and even your stress levels, so it's okay to switch up your routine when needed. Beach Balloon, listen to your skin and treat it with care. Whether you go for a nourishing body cream, a lightweight face lotion, or something in between, the best moisturizer is the one that works for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more skincare tips, and as always, take care of your skin, it's with you for life.